Today I'm going to give you a room tour of the 5 Elements hostels located in Frankfurt, Germany. So when I entered the room, it was almost midnight. I had to wait at the lobby because there was no Wi-Fi and he could not log me in. This is my bed, and below the bed there is luggage space with a lock provision. They also had overhead light and a charging point, and also a small rack to keep your mobile phone and bottles. When I entered the room, all the girls were sleeping, and it is a female room. Just opposite is the window, and the hostel is not situated in the right location. Throughout the night, the street was very noisy. This is a entry door, and then on the left hand side, I had my bunk bed. The lower bunk bed belonged to me. There were 6 bunk beds in this female room. They also have bunk beds room for males, and they also have a mixed dormitory. Here I'm going to take you outside to show you. When you check out from the hostel, you're supposed to keep the pillow cover, mattress cover, and the comforter cover in the laundry box provided on each floor. This is what I'm talking about. So I'm taking you to show you the toilet. Here there is only the toilet. The bathing area is at a separate corner. They had hair drying machine. But yes, it was stinky even after keeping the doors ajar. Now I'm taking you to the bathing area. They have a separate bathing area and a toilet area for both boys and girls. On the same floor, they have rooms, separate rooms for boys and separate rooms for girls. So here you saw that the shower area just has the shower curtain. When you check in the hostel, you will have to pay extra euros as city tax and also extra euros for using their pillow cover, mattress cover, and the comforter cover, which is non-refundable. There are 3 hooks inside the shower area, but when you're taking a shower unintentionally, some water gets sprayed onto the clothes which are hanging on those hooks, making them wet. The shower area was really small because there were shower curtains. All the water was even passing out of the shower area, making it little difficult to wear your clothes when you're outside the shower area because the floor is wet. Now I'm heading back inside the room. So the door opens with a key card. Please share my video with your family, friends and groups, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos on travel. Till then, take care.